Wonderful good morning. Good morning there, VRC. How are you? How are you doing? Well, it seems like, look at that. We're straight going for that all-time historical high at 706. What do you know? And the applause is going for VRC again as the first one. So by the way, on the left side you see ES, and on the right side is NQ. This is, I think we have a huge chance to go up there. Tom first. Good morning, Joey and Camille. Guys, good morning. Welcome, everyone. Everybody deserves the applause, technically. So, we are very close to all-time high, 17,706.75. This level is just so close. Guys, it can be a bull trap too, so be careful. It can be a bull trap. I mean, a lot of traders definitely want to go long and are going long as of right now. Maybe I could have had the chance just at the kill zone after 2 a.m. to take a long, but now it's just, it went up so much that I don't even have an entry. Look at that. On the 5 minute, the all-time high is basically in the crosshairs. So we can see a bull run. It's pretty interesting. We can see a bull run here. And ES is also going for the all-time highs. What a run, guys. What a run. I would be surprised if NQ would not at least tap into with a wick to that all-time high. I would be surprised. And by the way, I'm gonna have to leave you guys for a couple of minutes soon, because in our apartment there are how do I call this in English? Chimney sweep. You know what chimney sweep? The guy dressed in black, and they're sweeping the chimney. You know, it's the yearly chimney sweep day right now. So the guys are already doing the other apartments, and any moment they're gonna be ringing the bell on my door, and I just have to help them. And that's it. That's my cue. All right, guys, I'm gonna be lucky because the guys who are sweeping the chimney, you know that, who are they, How can I tell you? The guy who is sweeping the chimney. What are they called? These guys. Who are they? They were here. And so I'm gonna be lucky. Gaurav, hey there. Good morning, good morning. Don't forget the likes, guys. Thank you so much. How is everybody doing, by the way? So, oh, look at that. I just went out for a few minutes and NQ immediately went down 30 points. Actually not. Only 10 points. But from the high, 41 went down to 25. So yeah, went down 15 points. 15 points down again. Still, I think it's actually, if you're brave, it's a great opportunity to go long. But be careful, it can be a bull trap. It can be a bull trap. So, and by the way, I do have to say the marketing phrase here. Apex, of course, how surprising. Apex went into a sale again with an 80% discount, guys. 80% discount. and they are letting traders pass in 1 day. Otherwise, I think you have to trade for 7 or 10 days or something like that at Apex to pass the account. I thought you had male Santa in your chimney. Thank you, Camille. Thank you. Well, no male Santa here. So yeah, exactly. So Apex technically has this sale 80% off, but I think it's the same. Hold on, let me check the email. Let me check the code. Because I got the email. Limited offer combo flash sale. And Apex is hitting the 100 million payout in February. $100 million in payout in February. This is really something from Apex. And by the way, I think Apex did way more payouts than TOPSTEP or any of the others combined. I think Apex did the most payouts in prop firm payouts. It should be working. I mean, the code should be working with the discount, with the 80% discount code, as far as I can tell. Tessie, good morning. Yeah, 100 million. I can show you the email, actually. I think I have it here. Do we have some news? So here's the news. Apex will hit 100 million payouts in February. Limited time offer combo flash sale ends Monday, January 29 at 4:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Check out the 100 million payout push for February with 1 day pass and short video message from Apex CEO Daryl Martin. So we do have a short message.
Hello, this is Daryl Martin with Apex Trader Funding, your ultimate choice for trade with the 9 figures in payouts in February.
So this is really something. $90 million have been paid out from Apex. $38 million in the past 90 days. What a number, $38 million, and that is really something. This translates over 12 million a month, $600 on average every single trading day. 18 in the last 90. 18,000 payments have been made in the last 90 days. And guys, they are regulated, so this is not something offshore or something like that. So can you see the one I already have or need to buy? Can you use the one I already have or need to buy a new one? You bought the 50K. Thank you so much, Gaurav. I did receive a commission from one 50K account. So it was this morning. I mean, for me, it was the mornings. Thank you so much, Gaurav, for using my discount code. It really means a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Gaurav. Guys, I so much appreciate if you use my code, because if I hit the $100 in commission by the end of the month, I can have it paid out in the middle of February, and that is going to actually help me in the bills to pay out electricity, water, you know, stuff like that. It's gonna be awesome. So thank you so much. I'm really doing this also for the business part as well. So that is actually helping with my day-to-day basis expenses. So thank you so much. Thank you. Tess, Camille, can you use the one I already have or need to buy a new one? How do you mean by that? I mean, if you want to reset, I'm not sure the reset applies with the code, but you can buy a new one with the discount, so you can also buy a new one. Tess, this is, yeah, you passed yesterday. Tess, come on. Everybody, Tessie Trader passed a 50K yesterday. Congratulations. Congratulations. Wow. In your live account today, that feeling is really something. So all I can tell you, I'm not sure if you were funded before or not, that take it slow and small size, you know. Go with micros, definitely. Go with 1 or 2 micros. Test it. That should be the way to start out with your new funded account. Thank you, Gaurav. Thank you again. Good morning. Jó reggelt, üdvözöllek. Some Hungarian fellow trader here again. Guys, we are extremely bullish on NQ. Extremely bullish. Market is going to open in 1 minute, and extremely bullish. If you want to risk a long trade with micros maybe or whatever, then this might be your chance to go for it. Oops, sorry, this is my MetaTrader with the indicator I use. Let me get this off the way. Anyway, we'll be fine. So this is your chance, because right now we are in a fair value gap on the 5 minutes, so it really looks okay-ish. So if you want to use this fair value gap to accumulate your long position, this is your chance. Market is about to open. 5 seconds. Market is open for business. I'm eager to buy. Damn it. I'm eager to buy. I'm so eager to buy this. I'm so down for it to buy this. But they may try to push it down. So I really want to buy this. Look at that all-time high, 2022. It's like here in the backyard. Smash the likes. Thank you, guys. So let's see. Good morning, Ukando. Ukando, thank you so much. I mean to pass it in 1 day. Do I need? Well, if you bought the account when there was no sale, I think your account may have been activated without the 1 day pass set. So you might ask Apex about that, but I think it is how it is. So if you bought the account out of the session when the 80% sale is, it's not going to work, because I think Rhythmic is going to be set up like the way it is. So you have to buy a new account with the 1 day pass option. So if you want to YOLO it and not lose time, and if you have some extra dollars for YOLOing some smaller accounts maybe, then you can do it with 1 day pass, full margin. Only do it if you're a pro or if you know what you're doing. Guys, I'm gonna buy here. Okay, bought it. I don't care. I bought it, so I don't care. I don't care. I bought it. My entry is actually very bad. 34.50 is my entry. 34.50 is my entry. Very bad entry, but I bought it. I don't care. I'm gonna be taking profit before the 90s. Stop loss is gonna be, yeah, stop loss is gonna be right down here at 14.75. This is my stop. I bought it, so there. Who cares? I don't care. I bought it, so who cares? I want this to rip all-time high, guys. So I don't mind. My stop is gonna be below here. If it takes me out, I'm gonna be looking for a new rally to the upside. So I don't care. Who cares? We're making history, guys. Just saying. Oh, let me see what you guys wrote here. Camille says, "Yeah, make it slow, Tessie. You should take it slowly." Okay. Camille says, "In and out, quick, $200. It rocketed, nice." Camille is making money, guys. If you wanna grab some advice about trading, Camille is the one you should go to. Please, guys, push the likes. If you bought earlier, all the accounts were eligible. Okay, Ukando knows that. Okay, sorry about that, Ukando. I had the same case. I had all accounts. I was flipping, and they became passed after 4th day. Okay, then. All right. I'm sorry. That's why I wanted to tell you that you should ask client support. You should email them or ask, because I wasn't sure, but not such a bad entry in this bull market. Well, yeah, almost like the way when the war started with Ukraine, or the pandemic. You know, there were no such bad entry. It was just going one way. Anyway, I bought this, so if I lose, we're gonna laugh together. And by the way, were you guys watching ICT yesterday? It was a great session. I loved. He rarely goes on actually live, and I wrote about this in the Discord, that if you guys want to copy trade him, be careful. I heard about some other servers that quite a few people got wrecked. No disrespect here. I loved the session. I think it was great. So that's why I didn't stream, because I was hooked onto his live stream yesterday. I'm not gonna lie. So I was hooked onto his live stream. And to be honest, I did take one of his trades. I did take. And my bias was actually bullish, of course. I was super bullish. And I think he lost 2 trades in a row. And the third one, I think it was a long, or was it the 4th one? I don't even know how many he lost. I think so. The last trade, he went in for a long, and so I was bullish again, and I said to myself, okay. I mean, he lost 2 times, and I'm bullish as well. I want to see a break higher, and so I took the 3rd trade together with ICT, and of course I took it on my funded account. Why not? And I lost almost $300 on my funded, because I took it with 1 full mini contract. I was so sure I was so sure that it should break out higher. and I lost $300, but on the funded account, which was mostly the profits from the week and last Friday, I think. Anyway, I wiped out my profits that I made with micros with one mini contract because I was so tempted to push the button. So guys, learn from my experience what you should not do. So this means that my payout for January is definitely stalled from TOPSTEP. And so if you're rich, send money. and this is it. So, but still, it was a great session. I loved how we were doing the tape reading. I loved how we were doing, yeah, maybe, I don't know. I loved the trade reading. I was extremely bullish anyway. So I didn't take the first two trades that he made because actually when he went short, I completely disagreed with that. I think he went short once, and I said no way it's gonna go down. But anyway, I was extremely bullish. My bias was extremely bullish, and I said, okay, I'm just gonna wait. And by the third time he entered the trade, I was also like, okay, I mean, third time's the charm. This one should break higher. So, and then it didn't. By the end of the day, of course, it did. So the moral victory, as he said as well, the moral victory was there, but I was out. So you're short 632. Well, you have a good chance. We are extremely premium. This is definitely we are definitely in the premium here. Look at my entry. I'm gonna get wrecked here. It doesn't matter because if I'm gonna get out of this position, I'm still gonna be looking for another long opportunity. This was mainly taken because of the 5-minute fair value gap and the structure shift higher. So that's why my stop is a little bit below there. If it trades below 614.75, then I want to see this go down to the midnight level. This was yesterday high. So I would like to see this go down to the fair value gap at 600 if it trades below the 14. So that's why I put my stop there. But otherwise, I am super bullish, just as everybody else right now, I think. So this is why be careful. It can be a bull trap, guys. It can be a bull trap. I also was going to short at 35, but no clear trades. Well, the only so-called clear trade for me is this, because my analysis that we should be tapping to the highs, but yeah, you're flat. You know, that's one of the best positions. As I was eyeing a short too, but need more confirmation. Trader Oracle is here, and guys, applause to everyone again, and thank you for pushing the likes. So again, Apex Trader has the 80% discount. Bull traps are bullshit to get stuck in. Yeah, so this could be a bull trap, guys. Everybody wants to go long on this gap, and maybe it will take off for some time. Maybe we do leave the 50s, maybe, and then goes up the stairs and down the elevator like boom. So this scenario, like, it can just hover around, goes up, and then boom. This can actually happen. So if we break above the 50s, so around the 55s, if I might consider to put this to break even. I'm going to consider to put this to break even. I don't know. But, you know, so far this scenario can also be happening. So be careful. Manage your risk. Marco is here. Good morning. Good morning. So good to see you guys. So yesterday I wasn't streaming because I was watching ICT, and I hope you guys did not copy trade him because I can imagine that some people around the world were full margin into those trades. I was also questioning myself that did he do it on purpose, or but I mean, if he did not do it on purpose, then I completely understand, because there is a certain pressure on your shoulder. 15,000 people are watching you. You're the best trader, presumably, you know, and you do have pressure on your shoulder. So, yeah, that is really something to buyers step in. Well, we're still consolidating on the 5-minute. We do have news. What kind of news we have? Let me check just a second, because we have news. We have Euro news, French flash manufacturing. We have the German flash. Okay, we have flash manufacturing PMIs all over the London kill zone. So what news we have? We have blah 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 blah. China. Okay, nothing serious. So yeah, we have some news. We have some news. Still hovering here. So everybody wants to step on the bandwagon and go to the highs, and this is why this is extremely dangerous. It can just dump like crazy. They can just dump it. So be careful. Be careful, guys. I don't see sellers here in Bookmap before 40. Well, yeah, 40 can be. By the way, I think there's a YouTube channel for Bookmap. It's a free channel as far as I know. Let me check it. It says Think with Bookmap. That's the channel's name. So there is an NQ. There's an NQ right here. So this is the channel. If you go for it, it's a live Bookmap stream. The channel is called Think with Bookmap. Live NQ futures, Bookmap, day trading futures, blah blah blah. And of course, it's just on base settings. Well, not base settings, but you can see some information, you know, about this. So if you want to look Bookmap in real live, you can go for this channel, Think with Bookmap. Some updates here, but so far I don't even know. We have some orders up there above the 14s. We have like 50. What is that? It's we have 40, 80. We have like 150 contracts, 170 contracts resting above the 40s right now. US oil, I haven't checked it yet. So we have contracts above there. Does Ninja have dark mode? Yes, it has. It has. When you install it, you can already choose it, or you can go to options or something, preferences somewhere in the general settings, and you can change the layout to dark. So Bookmap is showing some orders above the 40s, just as Ukando said. So above the 40s we have, well, now they took some off, but we still see like 70, 100 contracts up there. Down there, not too much. But overall, look at these orders. Look at these contracts coming in above 40. So, yeah. Just saying. So we're still in the trade. Yeah. There you go. Ukando has the link there. Oil chart. Do we want to check oil chart? US oil. Let's check the daily. Move drawings. Well, this is the oil chart. but I don't see anything special on the daily US oil here. We're pretty much consolidating. If I put a, I'm not trading crude oil. Maybe I should, because I know some guys are trading it, but anyway, it is what it is. What is Bookmap doing? Nothing extra. Still in the same trade. On the 1 minute, it pretty much narrowed down. I don't like that because it narrowed down so much that it can be actually dumping. On the left side, you can see ES 15 minute, the left side 15 minute ES. On the right side, you can see NQ 5 minute chart. Yeah. Let me know what you guys think, or are you guys in a trade or something? By the way, I put together, almost ready, a new trading course, which is going to be using the indicator set which I was talking about. No matter what I do, guys, I'm just gonna let you guys into a little bit of a glimpse here. I started again a new free FTMO account, and I wasn't even trading it every day. And no matter what I do, these are my results from trading only Nasdaq and only Russell index. So no commission there, which is a good thing. And I'm only risking like around $200, making almost 60% win rate. And this is all made purely by the indicators that I was talking about in the video. So I'm gonna use this free FTMO trial account. It's ending on the 30th of January for reference. And it's really good, you know. So I mean, I do like the results. So I'm gonna update you guys, and I'm already putting a course together, a mini course, how to use, which kind of settings you should go with this set of indicators, because I think it's great. I'm surprised too, guys. I'm really surprised in myself, because I said I'm never going to look into indicators, but I have this friend of mine who is actually having great results in the past years, actually, because he's using this for quite a while, and he talked me into it to dive into that, and so far it's really good. But only if you know market structure, only if you know market structure and know when not to enter. Because if you take every single signal on the indicator, you are going to lose. That's 100% guaranteed that you're going to lose. But there's a specific set of when to enter and when not to enter, and what entries should you prefer as a higher probability entry. And if you go with that, the indicator is just great. It's really great. I never thought I'm gonna say this about an indicator, but it is great. So anyway, what are you guys doing? Or there was the question, there was that movie, it's called The Room, the worst movie of all time, with Tommy Wiseau and Greg Sestero. The Room. I'm not sure if some of you guys are familiar. Tommy Wiseau says, he's talking about some stuff, and then out of a sudden says, anyway, let's talk about your sex life. So I'm just talking about indicators. So anyway, guys, let's talk about our sex life. Okay. Pretty slow this morning. If I go down to the 5 minute on ES, it's still stuck here. Okay. Let me know what you guys are doing. We're gonna hit all-time highs. I'm so sure. Hello Teacher FX is trading with gold. I'm just checking my Discord because I had no time to go into Discord yet, but order block, bullish fair value gap, 15 minute plus 5 minute time frame. Okay, I get it now. Okay, I get it now. Just checking it. So I hope it's not a problem if I share it, Hello Teacher FX, but I mean, you took a trade? I'm not sure, but it does look like, I mean, it looks good. Looks promising, but it can go higher. Actually, they always say be careful if you want to short crude oil, because it always likes to I don't like this consolidation if it goes on for too long. Let's see, we're in the silver bullet hour, so if it's going to stay like this until 4 a.m., well, maybe 5 a.m. So yeah, it can stay like this for that long, actually. This one can stay like this forever. So, Tom, what happened to your TOPSTEP accounts? My TOPSTEP accounts they were destroyed. No, I gave back the profits. I was trading on one account at TOPSTEP. I had 3 funded accounts, and one account that I was trading, I was at $800 of profit. And then I gave it all back. And then eventually the thing that happened, there was a little bit of an issue with TOPSTEP there. I'm not gonna go into the details right now because it doesn't have to do anything with trading. It's a little bit of a delicate issue, but right now I am not trading on my unfunded accounts at TOPSTEP, so I decided to make new evaluation accounts at my funded futures and Apex as well. The issue, all I can tell and all I want to share, that there is a little bit of a uncomfortable issue I had with TOPSTEP, and let's just say I have an appeal against the situation, and it's still not over yet, but until then, I'm not trading. I mean, I'm going to trade in the future, definitely, with TOPSTEP. Not either way, but I had an issue with the funded account. So I have no profit or payout from TOPSTEP in this month of January. That's all I can tell you. It's a little bit uncomfortable to talk about it just yet because, yeah, there was some issue. No, absolutely. Has it to do with payouts? No, nothing to do with payouts. All I can say is that I have violated the terms of business with TOPSTEP. All I can tell you guys, I don't want to go into details. I'm gonna make a video maybe later about it. It's still ongoing issue with TOPSTEP. TOPSTEP is a great company, guys. TOPSTEP is a great company. I can tell you that. And I'm sorry I can't share you all this, not yet at least, but trust me and please believe me, but I made a violation against their terms of business. That's all I can tell you. I made a violation, and I got an email from TOPSTEP about that violation, and that's it. I appealed against that problem that they came up with. I can still go into my account and stuff like that, but I'm not trading for an unseeable time until this issue is solved with TOPSTEP. That's all I can tell you for now. Last week they emailed me that I broke the rule after 2 days. Account was there again. Yeah, so everybody has a different issue, I guess. My issue is not because of the payout or something like that. No, no. I mean, I would never use TopStep on my OnlyFans. On my OnlyFans page, I only do hot tub and private shows without trading. So no TopStep in my OnlyFans, just the hot tub business. So nothing about that, really. So absolutely nothing. Okay. But that's it. And I'm going to update you guys on the situation. I am definitely going to use TopStep in the future, but right now there is a violation of the terms of business, and I agreed to them that yes, I did violate. It's a little bit of a fine line because, anyway, I'm not going to go into details, but I'm not using the funded account. Did you accidentally moan TopStep to the chimney Santa? Well, no, not about that, actually, Camille. No. No, not that. Let's just say the funded account were okay. It was not about trading. It was not about payouts. It was something else. But until the issue is not resolved and it's still ongoing, I don't want to talk about that. I'm still an affiliate with them. I will be. I think they are a great company. So if you want to open a TopStep account and if you're a new customer, you can still use my link and my code. They are awesome. They are great. I don't know. Actually, I saw many traders, bigger influencers, not just Patrick Wheeling, but Trades by Matt. I think he left. I don't know who else. I mean, I know a few names. I heard some influencers are leaving TopStep or something. I don't know. I don't know the details, so I don't really care about that. TopStep is a good company. So yeah. Yeah. Did you accidentally look a payout of 69,069? Yeah. Where did you make your withdrawals? On your bank account in Hungarian money, or did you have a dollar? I have a dollar bank account. So no problem with that. I definitely for business purposes, and because I'm doing business online, not just with TopStep, but of course I have, and it's not a secret, as you guys know, I have an affiliation with Apex, My From the Futures, and then TopStep too, and I do make everything I do online to have some kind of an extra revenue of income from my online thing. So I do have a dollar account. Yes, I have a dollar account, a Hungarian dollar account, not Hungarian money, but it's a dollar account. So I think they would transfer it to Hungarian money too. I mean, if I have a Hungarian money account, which is HUF as forint, HUF, if I accept dollar, my bank is going to convert it to Hungarian forint, HUF. But the conversion is not too good, and that's why I opened up specifically a dollar account. Hungarian money is crap. It's like monopoly money, actually. It's like play money. It's worthless. In German banks, you can't have dollar accounts. Some banks have. Oh wow, I didn't know that. Well, in Hungary you can. It's really easy. And actually, there are some online fintech companies like Wise and Revolut. They can give you a dollar account technically for free. So I had received payout to my Revolut account too from TopStep, so there was no problem with that. Anyway, but I do have a. I just formed a new small company in Hungary. It's a small company formation, and I wanted to start a. I wanted to transfer my account under the name of my small company formation. I did not want to take any more payouts as an individual because it's super high tax. You have to pay like 35% tax after those. While if I do it under a small company, then I can make it with around 12 to 15% ish. So much lower tax if I do it with the small company formation, and the cost is really low, extremely low. So the problem, actually this was not the problem, but TOPSTEP also told me I can only do that if the CEO or the owner of the company is the same person who is pushing the button and registered with the TOPSTEP account. But it's not. I have my own personal reasons and I have my IRL reasons, but I have this company under the name of a family member because we are going to do some other side business too in this year. So one of my family member is the owner of the company, and I am just a contractor for the company, for the Hungarian small company. And if I want TOPSTEP to wire money to that company's account, they can only do that if the funded accounts are registered with the same person who is the owner of the company. I hope you guys get it. So they cannot change the information due to the CFTC and rules and everything. They cannot change the name to the company if I'm already have the funded accounts. That's one of the reasons I'm actually restarting some evaluation with TOPSTEP too, by the way. Prop firms say they don't recommend use Wise, or yeah, but still they paid out to Revolut, so. Oh no, the background guy was trading. No. No, he wasn't pushing the button. I was the one who was pushing the button. Everybody run, you know. Everything was fake. So yeah. But this is a minor reason that I'm having a little bit of a trouble with TOPSTEP, because now we had to open. Actually, we are already opened up new account with TOPSTEP. It's not under my name, but it's under the person's name who is owning the company who I work for as a contractor. It's for tax purposes. I'm not going to tell you, of course, the name. And after this thing, I might not be able... I'm going to be showing you account details, of course, because that's transparent. But also, TOPSTEP says that it's also a violation if, of course, understandably, if a different person is pushing the button than who is registered the account for. So I get it. I completely get it, and I absolutely agree, because that's also an SEC or CFTC rule, I guess, somewhere in the fine print. But it makes it a little bit difficult. But that's not all the reason why I'm not trading right now on my funded account with TOPSTEP. But all I can tell you, we are already in the works of having one more funded account on the new company with TOPSTEP, and it's going to be ready. I'm not going to I'm going to let you guys know when I'm ready with that, but I'm not going to share account details, only payouts or equity curve maybe, but I'm going to be watching with the account details. They can actually ban you for doing that. So hope to find some solution for this problem. I don't really care. It's fine. Okay. What is happening? It's gonna be solved eventually. I know that it's gonna be solved. So still, the cheapest solution right now is with Apex, but if you're a new customer with TOPSTEP, with the new registration, you can have a 20% discount from your first account. Same goes for my funded futures, guys. If you're a new client with my funded futures, you can have a 40% discount. I think 40 or 50% discount. I think 40 with my funded futures from your first account. Only a starter account. So if so you can start with $60, but they also have end of day trailing stop if that is something you like. There is no big deal with Apex intraday trailing stop if you're going for base hits. So if you're not over leveraging, I need to stop fading you, Tom. Why? Oh, of course you went short. Zoltan went short. Did you went short? Let's see. Just me. Good morning. Good morning. I think Zoltan said he's going short. Let me see. Short 632. Oh yeah. You went short. You can be still good, but be careful with your stop. All-time high. I mean, yeah. Not all-time high, but definitely on a highest point. It can actually go down the elevator real fast. So it's up to you how much risk you are willing to take on this one. If you're definitely want to go short, the whole number is 650. I would put my stop a little bit above, maybe 652, 653, and my TP would be somewhere in the middle. I'm somewhere in the midnight range down there, or at least at this fair value gap at 600. That's a whole number, so 600 or 601. But as I said, we're extremely bullish, and it seems like we might want to go for the all-time high here. So anyway, 644 is the stop. Oh my god. And out. I hear a dog barking in the back. Yes, there is a dog actually. Is my window right here to the left, and down there in the garden there is a huge dog, and it's always barking in the morning. It's actually, I mean, this dog is actually quiet, but when I trade, it's barking. I don't know if that's a signal or something. I don't know. Maybe I can put a noise filter on my microphone, but I tried to play with that noise filter option and it screwed my settings and everything. So I'm not going to put a noise filter for now. Maybe I should buy a new microphone or something. But yeah. Order flow has been bullish. Well, it has been bullish. Yeah, Gaurav. So I think this trade, I'm going to leave it for the whole day, and I'll see where it goes. As I said, if it goes above 55 or to the 60s, somewhere around here, I might going to put it to break even, but only if I leave the computer. But as I said, it can go down the elevator any second, guys. Any second it can go down the elevator. My entry is not good. It would be much better if I would have taken it around 30-ish. Oh, sorry. 5-minute chart show NQ on 9 exponential moving average and hasn't break structure for the short yet. Yes, I suppose, yeah. Oh my god. Oh, I thought it's my wife. Only barking. Trading. Oh my god. That's why I like being here. I would miss these talks, really I do. So just to close down that previous topic, and I'm happy for the question from Ali Kalka. I do like TOPSTEP, great company. Right now I do have an ongoing issue because I violated their terms of business, and they have a good point against me. So I'm not trading that funded account now, but hopefully I will continue with them. But I mean, TOPSTEP is a super company. They're great. Use my link and discounts. And I'm gonna be continuing with my funded accounts with TOPSTEP. Already working on some new account with TOPSTEP, so it's cool. But you know, at the same time, I'm also starting to build up my funded futures and Apex as well. I'm going to be updating everyone about the situation, how I'm going with all the other evaluations. Right now, I'm so focused. I don't know why. I think it's kind of a... I don't know what happened, but I'm focused on this MetaTrader indicator because it's working so well for me. Yet, I mean, I'm surprised. So that's why I'm going to make a new video again. Anyway, dog is barking. Use signals, buy or sell. All right. Hey, dog. No. No barking. No barking. Tom being a bad boy. Yeah, I was a bad boy. What are you gonna do about it? I'm a bad boy. Yeah. Most of my charts are useless. Market just goes up. Yeah, you know, at this point, I can show you guys what the indicator is showing right now. Let me close this right here. So this is the MetaTrader indicator with FTMO, and this is just a demo account at FTMO. But as you can see, the Russell shows absolutely no entry. It's just straight up, no retracement, and this has no, well, a small entry here. Look at that. If I would have taken the entry here on the indicator, this right here, of course it's okay anyway. Right there. You can see the rectangle, right? Visualization. Okay. No. I'm gonna have to go with this color. Okay, so you see the rectangle there. That is my entry based on the indicator. That should be my entry. And if I go with the risk reward, well, somewhere there. I'm gonna use the upper quadrant. Yeah, this is a one-to-one trade. So this worked out pretty well. I did not take it. I was just watching it. So I'm surprised how good it is, actually. It's a free indicator. It's called, you can check out one of my latest video that I uploaded. It's called Trend Following System. You can find it at Forex Station. It's a forum. There are like 80 versions of it, or 100 versions, 80 or 100. There's a guy called XARD. That's his username, XARD. Who is coding this set of indicators, but there are so many modifications, so many versions, lots of versions of it. And what I did is I put together mine from pieces and filtered out the unnecessary stuff. It is basically moving average and RSI. That's it. Moving average, RSI with fractals and zigzag. That's the 4 core indicator that is working with it. MetaTrader 4. So again, it's just an RSI, a modified RSI, a modified exponential moving average. It has zigzag and it has fractals. That's all it is. The rest of it is just graphics, nothing else. So I put together mine from a few, and I do have a specific set of how I use them, and it's really amazing how it works. It helps to filter out trends, and it helps to a little bit helps to filter out when the market is ranging and when not to trade. So that's a really good thing. Check out my video about that, and there is a description and how you should Google it, because there are so many versions, guys, so many. Not yet, but I already found a guy on internet who can code it to MetaTrader 5. He's asking $250 to code it to MetaTrader 5, and I said that's a little bit expensive for me to pay $250 for code it to MT5. But if I do it, I uphold the right to sell it on my own Or I don't know. I don't know. I will think about that. Let's see. Justin Wright is saying TOPSTEP banned me. TOPSTEP had an affair with my ex-wife. I only trade with Apex. Yeah. Why did they? Yeah, why did they? Because my credit card was expired, and when they tried to charge my card again, it didn't go through. I took a little long to pass my eval account. Not Hungarian dollars, but 250 American dollars, guys. American US dollars. 250 greens. So they banned you because your credit card was expired. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. Banning someone because the credit card is expired, that's bad business behavior, even from a company like TOPSTEP. You know, Tom, I took Euro USD long on the order block inversion fair value gap. Let's check it out. Let's check it out. Euro USD. Okay. Euro USD. What the hell happened? Oh yeah, news came out. Yo, 15-minute long. Inversion gap. I see. Well, yeah. Everybody put in $10 and I'm gonna code it for you guys. So 15-minute inversion. Come on. Anyway. Damn it, what the hell is this? So, yeah. You could have taken this long, actually. But it took out the highs. Well, I'm not sure what to do with euro dollar right now. It took out this high here. Right there. And now it can just drop like straight down. I don't know. I don't know, but let's hope it will play out good. If I check the 1 hour, we just repricing this fair value gap, but if it wants to go higher and higher, it's actually good for a yeah, it can go higher actually. Well, let's hope for the best. Let's check. Still have contracts above the 40s, by the way, on NQ. So lots of contracts resting above the 40s on Bookmap. I'm not using Bookmap. We were just talking about it. I don't like the charts the prop firm gives us. I like the charting on TradingView. Yeah, well, this is Quantower. I wanted to get aligned with Quantower much better because I'm going to use copy trading with Quantower. So I said to myself, I'm gonna give a few days and going to practice more with this. Actually, it's not difficult, and I like to watch for divergence. That's why I have these two charts here. TradingView is great. So honestly, guys, my subscription just ended with TradingView, and I have a discount which I'm gonna activate by the end of the month, and I'm gonna buy data too, or I'm also willing to do a new evaluation account with TOPSTEP, and that's going to be going through with TraderWeight. And if I'm doing the new evaluation with TOPSTEP through TraderWeight, then I might not going to buy the data as an extra, only the standard subscription with TradingView. I used to have a subscription with TradingView. I had the Pro, I had the base subscription, basic subscription. But since I'm so much dived into Quant Tower in the past few days, I was waiting with my discount. No! Trader Oracle, 250 American dollars. 250 American dollars is like 88,000 Hungarian forints. That's 88,000 Hungarian forints. There. 250 USD equals 88,767 Hungarian forint. I know you're just joking. I know. So, anyway, let's get back to it. Okay. Push the like button, guys. Please. Guys, I'm really so eager to put the channel to over 1,000 subscribers. I didn't thought that we're gonna manage this, because just around before Christmas my sub count was way below 500. I was like around 400 something, and I didn't really thought but in December and in January I was so amazed that we went over 750 or something. Thank you so much for everyone who likes the channel and subscribed. And it is one of my goals. I have no other income besides trading right now and the affiliations, but I did not reach the $100 commission with Apex right now. So if you want to buy a new evaluation account, that's the discount right now. I only need a little bit more and I can have a payout from Apex as an affiliate in February, which is going to help me pay some bills. And if I get to the 1,000 subs with YouTube, not with bots but with real subs and real watch hours, then I might be able to get a little bit tiny ad revenue from the streams and from the videos, which would also help me to pay the rent. This is, as I said, this is the only thing I do, so it is for business purposes as well. It's for income purposes what I'm doing. So also for the education, for being better at trading, because that's the main goal. But maybe other YouTube traders don't really talk about that too much, but I really do need the revenue income to stand on my feet, especially in the first quarter of this year. My savings are okay. I can live up to it for now, but I need to generate a little bit of income on the sidelines to stay here online with you guys and to be able to provide more online content. And this is it. So if you're super rich, there's a donation link. I had to tell these guys, I promise you this. I'm not even reading the chat right now. I'm just talking to the camera. I promise you guys this. If this channel starts to grow by letting me earn a little bit of a revenue stream, I'm going to do the Discord for maybe free, or I'm going to give some much more value, or I'm going to do some charity. I promise you one of these. I do like to do some charity stuff and giveaways and stuff like that. I will do that. I promise that to you guys. So I'm working on it really hard. I do. And we will eventually get there because trading is good. The community is great. I love being here. I love being here with you guys. So I love this. Tom, you will easily get 1K. Oh, thank you. I will get maybe today Apex. Thank you, Alikalaka. Thank you. So if anyone would like to help me, I only need a little bit more with Apex discount affiliate commission to get over $100 commission, because they only pay me if I reach $100, and I have to reach the threshold before the last day of the month, because if I'm not reaching it, they're going to wait 1 more month. So that's okay too, I guess, so not a big deal. But that $100 is actually helping me to pay the utility bills, which is a great thing. Finally, I can prove to my family. I love my family. I love them dearly. But for example, my mother or my father, who I love so much, both of them are great. When they are asking, what am I doing here? As ICT used to say it, some people see it as a video game, or ICT's wife sees it as a video game. It's almost similar with my parents, for example. They are old, they don't really see this business, and what they know or what they think is that, okay, well, Tom is our son. He's not really, I don't know what he's doing. He's playing some video game throughout the day, and he's just making some videos and talking to himself in the microphone, and we don't know what he's doing. But oh my God, please, Lord, please let him do some money, because I wanted him to be a lawyer, and now he is just sitting at the computer and talking to himself. That's what they think. So I really would like to prove them wrong, that hey, this is something that is really, really something we can do together. So let's read what you guys wrote. NQ big green bar. Yeah, boner candle, as Patrick Wieland says it. This is a nice boner candle. They will take me. Tom, aren't you married? I'm not married. So I'm not married. I have a fiance though. I have a fiance, and she's great. We've been together since 7 years. So she's living with me, and she's a teacher, and she's teaching. How do they say it in the US or the UK? She's teaching elementary school, 7-year-olds to 9-year-olds. So first class to fourth class. So she's an elementary school teacher, and we've been together since a few years, since 7 years, and we're gonna get married hopefully soon because we has some plans. Her name is Sabina. Her name is Sabina. Or Sabrina. Sabina is her name. I like her name. So it's hard to talk to trading to non-trading. Definitely. I have a few good friends from my childhood, and sometimes we cross paths and we just talk. Oh, what's up with you, Tom? And I thank you so much, Ranbir. And I'm just saying, oh, listen, I'm trading, I'm doing this, I'm doing that, and I start to talk about trading, and I see on their faces like, whatever, whatever you're talking, I don't understand nothing. So if someone is not into trading, then it's useless to talk about it. So I just used to skip the question. If someone is asking, hey, what are you doing? I just say, I'm working for a trading firm, and I'm doing market analysis, and that's it. Seriously, because they will understand it somehow. I'm doing market analysis for a trading firm, and I got some commission out of that, and that's it. And they do understand it somehow. But if I start to talk about, hey, I'm trading in the London session with futures, and I'm buying this and that and selling this and that, I'm using some concepts and blah blah blah, they're losing it. Let's see. Yes, they think we are bums. Yeah, facts. No worries. Yeah. Boner candle. Yeah. I paid off my mom's house, so she likes me trading. Oh, Trader Oracle paid off your mom. Dude, I have to... dude. That's nice. That's very nice, Trader Oracle. Thank you for the congratulations. I just replied that I work in financial software. That's also good. Maverick is here. Yeah, financial software is good. Somebody asked me the other day what I'm doing, and I was so tired. I just told him I'm a software engineer. That's it. I'm working software engineering with a trading company. That's it. That's what I told. Because if I tried to explain, they would never understand. Never, ever, ever. So that's what I used to say. So it's real simple. I'm working with software engineering with a trading company. That's it. Working as a slave. Yeah. If I say I'm a trader, they think I'm a loser. Oh yeah, Maverick, I experienced that. So the other day I also said one of my friends that I'm working as a trader. And so what they got out of that is, okay, so you're basically gambling all day and you think you're Gordon Gekko from Wall Street and you're Charlie Sheen who is gonna end up losing at the end. And I said, well, not exactly, but you know, who cares? So I had this reply as well. If I had facts, it's my dream. Oh, yeah, that's nice, Ukando. Most people see traders as gambling. Definitely. Trader Local, can I be your dad? I tell them I manage private capital for a prop firm base my trading skills. I told them the same. I'm going to tell you what they said. Just say your data. I told them as well. I told them as well. But when I told I'm a data analyst, they don't understand. Well, what is a data analyst? What is it doing? But there was also a guy who I told exact the same thing what Hello Teacher FX has said. I told them I manage private capital for a superb company which is registered in the US with the CFTC and the SEC. And I manage private capital. Actually, I'm one of their traders. I have a certificate that I'm one of their funded traders. And they were just, wow. So guess what they told me? So you must be rich. Then you must be rich. And I told them, no, I'm not rich. So when I told them, oh no, I'm not rich. Okay, then you must be making tens of thousands of dollars or something like that. And I told him, no, I'm not making. So, okay, so you gotta be making something if you're managing private capital for a firm like that. And I said, no, I'm barely able to pay my bills. Yeah. So then, their face is like, okay, this guy is a loser. Okay, all right. So that's when I went on with, okay, I'm just gonna tell that I'm a software engineer with a company, and that's it. It's just I'm rich on a demo account. Sometimes it's hard to cope with losses because you don't have anybody to talk to. Same with winning. I can tell anybody I won big on my trades. Somebody's Emmanuel Franklin subscribed. Thank you so much. Huge applause for a new sub joining our community. Thank you. And by the way, if somebody subbed and did not hear the bell, it's because your YouTube is set to private. But if you want to check into the chat, I'll be happy to give you a shout out for subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much. So yeah, it's so hard, right? Guys, I have nobody to talk to about trading in my real life here. The only place I can talk about trading is here with you guys on the stream. That's why I appreciate it so much that everybody's here. We can talk about stuff like that. I have nothing, no one to talk about this. I mean, you know, when my fiance, she gets home, you know, of course she's asking that, okay, how was trading, stuff like that, and I tell her that, well, you know, it was fine. But anytime I start to talk to her, like, you know, I had this trade like this and this, like, I love her, but she's like, okay, you know, that was enough. I understood. I can't digest. It's too much for me. So she doesn't really understand. W for the community, definitely. So, but the same goes sometimes, I guess. If she heard that, you are in trouble, just like TOPSTEP. No, he. Kamala, you always grab something out of my sentence. It's, you know, in Hungary, by the way, in Hungary, in our language, there is no such thing as he or she. We never give up, never surrender. Toy Story. Or there is a music. I'm not gonna play it because YouTube is going to flag me. Somebody subscribed again. Witanis or Whitenis. Witanis. I'm gonna say Witanis. Thank you so much for the sub, and a huge applause to a new subscriber joining us. Which one was that? Oh, Lion. Yeah, that's it. So guys, I'm not going to play this because YouTube is going to flag me. But this is the music. Did you guys saw the movie? Rate? It's like an 80s movie with Charlie Sheen. I do like this movie, and there's the song Lion Never Surrender. You guys should listen to it. This is a really great song. So and check the movie. I do like 80s movies, so go check it out. Rate Never Surrender. Tom, if you blow the evil account and don't cancel the subscription, will I get a new account with the next? Yes, you are going to get a reset with the next month with the discount price. So you will still have the discounted price on your reset. So if you want to make sure you're saving up a discount price with an eval that you blown, you can still leave the account for the next rebill, and it's gonna be like still cheap. So as a fellow drug addict, I support Charlie Sheen movies. Nice. Yeah, so again, just to return to that sentence there, Camille, there is in Hungarian language, Lina, hey there. Lina Sadas is here. So there is no such thing in Hungarian language as he or she. There is nothing like that. He or she. It's the same. There is one. There's one phrase to say it. There's no he or she. In English, you have he for the male and she for the female. But sometimes it's hard for our brain to rewire it when I talk about that. Anyway, fellow drug addict, I see. By the way, I'm not proud of it. When I was younger, I did had my small fair share. That's it. Just tried it, and that's it. That's it. But yes, I know how it goes. So I was young. So when I saw Wolf of Wall Street 10 years ago, I think it was around 10 years ago, I immediately saw what they were doing there. I mean, I wasn't that wrecked as DiCaprio was in the movie, but when I saw the movie Wolf of Wall Street, you know, that immediately got me hooked. Like, okay, guy, I know what you're doing there. I know why you did that. So yeah. But when I was younger, I was much crazier and I was an idiot. But that was only for trying out things. So I did try out a few things. when I was an idiot. I'm still an idiot too, but I know I'm an experienced idiot. But yeah. Anyways, it's hard to talk. Actually, there's nobody to talk about trading in real life. That's why I'm here. That's why I'm here. What are the indicators telling me? Let's check it. By the way, those orders on the book map must have been taken already. So, not that I'm trading with bookmap, it was just interesting to see. So if you haven't subscribed already, please do so and push the like button. And again, I'm hoping to hit that commission threshold with Apex. That would be helpful to pay some bills for the next month. So if you want to grab a discount and help out the stream, and if you want to go into trading, there is an 80% discount with Apex. Please use the code. It's right up there, and or you can use my links. And it's valid until January 29. And you can also do a 1-day pass with the evaluation account. So if you want to YOLO it and start off February with the fresh new funded account, you can do so in 1 day. I only would do that if you know what you're doing or you're a pro. If you're just starting out, then please do not YOLO it. But it's definitely a good deal. Right now, Apex has the cheapest deals. So Apex has the cheapest deal. And so if you want to grab it, then do so. What is going on here? Okay. Let me know what you guys are doing or thinking. We're holding this trade. Goes up slowly, and again, it goes up the stairs and then down the elevator. Be very, very, very cautious about this. 64.50. I mean 34.50. Can I have it? There. Now it's set 34.50. My dream, to be honest, is the TOPSTEP 150k. Better, yes. Well, you don't have to say that it's a dream, because then your subconscious is going to take it as a hard thing to reach. It's absolutely doable. It's I mean, mathematically, it's a little bit harder than to go for a 50k, because you do have to accumulate more profits in the same amount of time. So if you do the mathematics, and I think there's a YouTube video up there, some other trader did that. It's mathematically more difficult, but it's not hard. But you can do that too. Get me some coffee and a cigarette. Yeah. I drink my coffee already. I had my fair share of coffee this morning. And I did have the chimney sweepers this morning too. Yeah, I know, but it's enough for now. I just don't want to spend 150 maybe 2 times until pass and then pay the activation. Yes, exactly. And by the way, if you guys are saving for activation fee, then the best deal is at My Funded Futures with the expert account, because there's no activation fee, although it's a little bit more expensive, but there's no activation fee. If you use my code, you can get the discount there. for the expert account, 24% discount. So mathematically, that's a good deal. But you have to make sure you know what you're doing, because if you fail the evaluation account, of course, then you do have to pay one more evaluation, and that's not good. Maybe after some time, once I feel more, I have to, absolutely. For now, I just watch. Yeah. Definitely. Now it goes down a little bit into this small fair value gap on the 5 minute, right here, right down there, small fair value gap. I'm not saying you should enter here, but this should be holding a little bit. If this is not holding, then yeah, we can go down. ES is still sideways, while NQ is pushing. But ES looks like a little bit of a bullish flag. I like to see these situations like ES is ranging and then boom, finally. Oops, not like that. What the hell? So yeah. But now we do have a pullback on Nasdaq as well. Ultimate goal is to get to all-time high, 2022. For me, it seems that buyers are exhausted. Yes, they are. So the thing that can happen with Nasdaq until the New York session is that buyers are, as Ukando said, they are out of money. And so price can just range a little bit, having a hard time, and before New York session it can just dump like crazy, and maybe after a New York session starts or the kill zone starts, maybe we will see a slow grind again to the upside. So this is also a possible scenario. I hope not, but it's still in the cards. Just to sweep some liquidity. As far as I can tell, the 15-minute chart has liquidity. Yeah, right below 611. So it can drop below 611 to sweep some more liquidity. But if I look at the 1 hour, let me check the 1 hour. Oh yeah, the 1 hour is... liquidity is below 616. 616.75. So the low is... sorry, 617 to be exact. 617, which is right there. So yeah, just at the stop loss level for this trade. So this is the waiting game. What do you guys think? Silver bullet hour is ending in no, silver bullet. The kill zone is ending in 40 minutes. So I don't know. The movement is slow, so this one can do anything at this point. So we're just waiting. This is the waiting game. No other entries for now. As far as I can tell, I checked the indicator. No entry there as well. Well, no. Let me see. Well, no. Not really. Not really. No, this is the waiting game, guys. But it's still going up. I'm telling you, if we could have a close above the 60s. No, I'm just gonna leave. I'm gonna leave my stop, even if it takes me out, because this can spike lower any second or moment. So let's wait for it. You would move the stop? Yeah, I understand. I understand. Profit is profit, doesn't matter if you're right or not. Yeah, absolutely. Good reasoning from Ukando. What a question there. To be yeah, to be right or to make money. Well, I came here to make money, of course. And look at that. Small spike there. Oh yeah, ES is spiking higher, as you can see on the left. That's good. Getting closer and closer to the 700s. There's definitely going to be profit taking up there near to the 700s, so I want to get out from it before 700, so that's why my TP is 689. Actually, it's gonna be 689 round number there. That's where my TP is. I just sometimes select the wrong timing to move the stop. Yeah, I was talking about this a few times. Last year, it occurred to me so many times that I moved the stop and the market immediately bounced back and took me out at break even. And right after taking me out at break even, it went to my target. So that got so many frustrations. That caused so many frustrations to me. I was like all over the place. I was frustrated. It felt bad, FOMO, confusion, everything, because overall my analysis was correct. I called out the level correctly, but whenever I move my stop to break even, it comes back, takes me out of break even, and goes to the target. And so I talked about a few traders, as I mentioned before, who are making also consistent profit from prop firms, and they told me they had the same issue, but they stopped moving the stop loss to break even. I know ICT says that you should move the stop to break even, and that's also a risk management technique. I agree. But what I realized is then when I just left the trade to do its job, let it be a full stop loss or a full take profit, it was much better for me to get comfortable with the result, even with the full stop loss or with the full take profit. And although I had more losses that way, but my winners were much better, and they just wiped the losses away and got me into profit instantly. So since I'm doing that, even when I got hit with a stop, I feel better. And so that's why I stick with not moving my stop loss to the 40s. Yeah, definitely. I understand, because if it would come down, then if it goes below the 40s, it has a chance to go lower. Again, I'm going to leave some room for this trade to breathe. If they start to put this trade into consolidation around this area, maybe it can spike down into my drawdown area right there. But overall, I still believe that we have a high probability for them to push this to the all-time high, spike it, at least make a spike. I wouldn't be surprised if there would be just a huge spike, like boom, and then it would just go down. That can also happen. All my best trades were when I traded technically without expectations. There you go. In this case, yeah. Once the high is taken, I move under the previous low. That's also a risk management technique. So that is also a way that you can manage your risk. The end result would be a much more what's the word for it? Let me search for the word for it. Yeah. So the curve is not going to be that steep, because if I'm not moving my stops and not taking partials, my equity curve is going to be steeper. Yeah, so I don't know. This can actually go down, but I'm not gonna put on more trades. That's for sure. Take care, Ukando. See you in the next one. No, don't say it like that. Don't say it like that. See you, Ukando, in the next one. Take care. That high of 222, where did you get it? Let me check. If you go to the weekly, chart, I'm gonna zoom it out. It is, sorry, oh my god, it's not even 22. Damn it, it's 21. It's 21. Uh-oh. It's 21. I'm stupid. I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. It's 21. Oh my god. My bad. It's 2021. November 22. Sorry about that. I'm sorry about that. It's 2021. I am sorry. My mistake. My mistake, because yeah, it was 2021. November 22. That's why it was a mistake by me. November 22 week. You're right. I'm so stupid. I'm sorry about that. Still, it's all-time high. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. November 22, 2021. That's the high. This candle. Right there. This is the high. 706.25. November 22. So that's why it confused me when I updated the chart. I'm sorry about that. Sorry. I am sorry. My mistake. My mistake, guys. That was my mistake. Ah, you sent your trades? Ah, sorry, I didn't check it. Let me check. Hello Teacher FX has... This is the second setup, okay. This is all down. Yeah. Because it was on the 3-minute time frame, and the time frame is outside my trading plan. It played out. It played out. Look at that. Wow. Ukando has a trade on crude that played out this morning. No, I did not. I did not pay for the data. I had a TradeAwait account. That's why I didn't pay for it. So I only using Quantower now for the data. Agong, it's a good question. I'm not paying. I have the subscription that just ended, so I'm going to renew it by the end of the month. But since I was using TradeAwait, I wasn't really using anything else with TradingView. I was using it for the higher time frame analysis. But for intraday, I was using Quantower, and I was using sometimes NinjaTrader. So I was also only using TradingView for higher time frames, like 4-hour, daily, weekly, just to see the whole picture. And while I was having a TradeAwait evaluation account, when I logged in, the data was fresh, at least enough for me to still do the analysis. But I'm going to do a new subscription by the end of this week. So yeah, I had a pro subscription with data, but I canceled it. So since I also started this new Quantower accounts, I thought I'm gonna get familiar with the platform. But I will have that. I'm definitely going to have that. I will. Nice trade there. Hello Teacher FX on crude. Nice trade. But still, because I have multiple charts on my other monitor here on the left, everything is from Quantower. I have multiple charts here. It's quite alright for me to go with this, and I did some higher time frame with TradingView. But I'm gonna renew it, so just to calm everybody, is gonna get renewed. It's gonna get renewed. Euro USD trade, let me check. Oh, nice. Nice. I just saw that. Sorry. Hello Teacher FX is killing it, guys. It's killing it. I'm gonna share this. Hope you don't mind. This is Hello Teacher FX's Euro USD chart. Really nice trade there. Order block, 15-minute and 5-minute order block. And look at that. Went nicely up there. Congratulations, your entry is great. Nice stop loss. Hello Teacher FX is doing great. Is doing great with this. Congrats. Congrats there. Okay, guys. I don't think I'm gonna take more trades, and I love being here with you and everyone else, but I think I'm just going to cut the stream and be back in New York because there's not much to do for now. This is the only trade I have for now. And guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe. Grab a discount with Apex. If you could help out the stream with your new eval account using my discount code, and check out my Discord link as well, and push the like. Check out the New York stream. I hope I can be here in New York session, but I have some errands to run, unfortunately, so I'll try to be here. Thanks so much for being here, and see you guys on the next one, and have a great morning or evening. This is the trade I'm going to stay in, and see you guys soon. All right, have a great day, everyone. Cheers.